Chicken Vindaloo. Once in a blue moon, you just need that heat. This dish is deliciously fiery, yet so well balanced that you'll be enjoying the flavors and not crying tears of regret. You might need a napkin to wipe the sweat from your brow though. But don't worry, it's not all about the heat. It's a culinary adventure worth every bite. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Let's dive right in. Let's start by slicing 2 onions thinly. Remember, we're aiming for delicate slivers here, not chunky bits. In a medium heated pan, pour in 1 cup of oil for frying the onions. In go our thinly sliced onions. We're going to fry these until they are golden brown and fully crispy. This will take about 10 minutes on medium to high heat, but keep those onions moving. No one likes burnt onions, do they? Don't take your eyes off them for even a second, as they can quickly over-fry. Once they are 95% done, take the onions out, as they will continue to cook from the residual heat. Let them cool down completely while we prepare the rest of the dish. In a bowl, add 7 dried Kashmiri red chilies and 4 regular red chilies. Pour in half a cup of malt vinegar and let them soak for 15 minutes. This will soften the chilies and start imparting their vibrant color. Now on to dry braising the aromatics. In a medium heated pan, add 1 teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, a small cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Braise these for 3 minutes until you hear the mustard seeds popping and the aromas coming alive. Once ready, transfer to a bowl and let them cool down completely. Use a spice grinder to grind our dry aromatics to a fine powder. No coarse bits allowed. Now it's time to make the vindaloo paste. In a small food processor, add the soaked chilies and vinegar, 11 garlic cloves, 1 medium-sized chopped ginger, a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of salt, a tablespoon of tomato puree, and all the ground dry aromatics. Give this a good blend. Add in our fried onions halfway. Look at that amazing color. And the smell is simply divine. Marinate 1 kilogram of skinless chicken with all our marinade. Give it a thorough mixing. No need to let it sit and marinate. We're ready to cook right away. Back to the pan with our onions. We've removed most of the oil, keeping only a 1/4 cup. In goes our marinated chicken. Fry this for a good 5 minutes until all the spices have melded with the chicken and come alive. This is crucial to developing bold flavors and avoiding any raw spice taste later on. See how the color comes alive and the gravy starts to develop? It's like magic. Once the chicken has been seared well, pour in 1 cup of water. See how I pour it from the edge so as not to wash away the spices from the chicken. Bring it to a gentle boil, add the lid, lower the heat, and let it cook for 20 minutes, or until your chicken is fully cooked. Don't forget to add 2 teaspoons of jaggery or any brown sugar for some balance. There you have it. Our chicken vindaloo is ready. The oil has risen, the color is smashing, and the smells are out of this world. I can feel the heat without even having a mouthful yet. Let's finish it with a generous garnish of coriander. Time to clean the pan and get those close-ups. I didn't make such a beautiful dish only for one angle. Let's get creative. If the heat gets too much, just think of it as nature's way of giving you a free sauna. Time to bowl this up. Look how amazingly rich the gravy looks. Not too thin, not overly thick, just right. The chicken is fully infused with the spices. Some more close-ups for good measure. Serve with beautifully prepared rice. As usual, the full recipe and all the information are in the description below. Once again, thanks for joining me. Happy cooking!